So tomorrow morning starting out will be chilly. Boston upper 30s, suburbs averaging around 30 or 32 degrees. The sky should be clear, and if areas go light with the wind, then some frost could form in some communities. We'll have a respectable comeback tomorrow afternoon with the sunshine filtered at times through high clouds, about 50 to 55 degrees. But a stronger cold front is on the way. Now, this one's going to pass through here, I'd say around noon on Friday. Prior to that, the temperatures could get well into the 50s by late Friday morning, although it'll be windy out of the west. But once the front comes through, the winds will shift to the northwest and be quite strong. So there could be 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts around, and Friday is Veterans Day, so we want you to be aware of that. Now, ups and downs in the temperature department because the jet stream will be alternating between having us on the cool side and then having these warmer interludes come in. One will be Sunday into Monday, for example, when the temperatures will moderate again. So the Patriots playing 8:30 at night Sunday night, with the temperatures easily well into the 50s Sunday during the day, should be dropping back to about 44 for the start of the game. All right, let's check out the next 7 days for you. There you go. A fair amount of sun tomorrow. Veterans Day, I talk about the wind. Here's why I'm talking about the wind. Check it out. These gusts in excess of 30 miles an hour, 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts for the midday, afternoon, and evening hours. And it will be quite cold early Saturday. Average low temperature about 29, but the wind chill may make it feel closer to 20 degrees. Now, you've got sunshine both weekend days, Saturday and Sunday, with quite a cold start early Saturday and a milder finish Sunday afternoon, back to the 50s, with a good chance that we will see the 60s come next Monday. Always like to leave you with something to look forward to.